All right, welcome to EV channel. This is Benga. I am about to do this over there. I'm holding off for months. Like, I just don't have the time to record it, but today is that day I need to do it. So right now it is I believe this is a navigation update. So right now you are looking at what the message right here is for navigation update. So let me go ahead and do this. But before I do that, if this is your first time viewing the channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Check out my other videos, OTA update videos, road trip videos, charging session videos, and don't forget to check out my other channel, KwhOnlyEv Motorcycles channel, for my 2024 live YS2 demo. So let me go ahead and do this. I'm not going to take that long with the update. So right now it has started the process. Usually it doesn't take that long, like about 10 minutes or so or less. So I'm gonna go ahead and the car just powered on, it's turned off and powered on. So right now I'm waiting on the instrument cluster, the entertainment cluster to come on. And I'm not going to talk that much, so I'm just going to go ahead and wait for the car to power on. So I'll be back with more update. All right, welcome back. So it has updated, and all right, so let's see here. All right, so it has updated, and so here is the new information. So let's go ahead and click on the detail. So this is a cluster update, and this is the information software version, which is a long combination of alphabet and numbers. So just to let you know, so let me see if anything, let's see here if there's any other software update. Let's see. It is preparing to install. So I'm guessing the update did not complete, because right now it is still trying to update. So it says I'm preparing to install vehicles system software. So I thought it did, because I wait a couple of minutes. Maybe I just didn't wait enough. I was kind of impatient. So I believe it's supposed to take about 10 minutes, and I think I was like 5 minutes or so. So I'll be back, whatever this thing does or did or do. All right, I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. I don't think this thing updated, so let me go ahead and let the vehicle on, because I turned it off, so that might have stopped. So right now I just plugged the car in, and it's charging right now. It is at charging at oh, that's something 12 kilowatt. I don't know. Nothing else I just saw. But right now it's charging at 9.8 kilowatt on Important Energy EVSE. I used to get 10.0 one time. I don't know what happened. Probably the wires. Warren probably need to get it inspected. But I mean, that's some just unusual stuff. I was supposed to charge at 9.7, but it's charging at 9.8. So it will take 4 hours 10 minutes. I think I started at around 40%, 40, let's see here, 42% or something. Actually, no, at 40%, I think something like that. So subtract 80% and I'll get 265. The range, the estimated range will fluctuate depending on my driving habit. So going back to the update, so I am going to leave this, let it just run and see what's gonna happen, because right now nothing is happening since afternoon. So I'll be right back. All right, so welcome back. So right now, I guess it downloaded and it's ready to install. So right now I will be installing the navigation. It's not available. Okay, so this is a cluster image update and software version 01.03. Vehicle images that are displayed in the cluster have been updated. So let's see, ready to install the vehicle software. So let's see. All right, so what do we need to do? Let's go to system. All right, so let's go back. Okay, so the update will start when vehicles off. So let me go ahead and turn it off. All right, let me try it again. All right, so it is, I think it is downloading now. So I'm gonna let it do its thing. Let me see here. Let me go put it at so I can't record, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So the update has completed. So let's go ahead and find out what was installed around, and let's see that detail. All right, so actual vehicle image and the vehicle images that are displayed in the cluster have been updated. I'm gonna find out what it is. Like I said, I've been pushing it back, like the update. No, I've been pushing the update. Nope, that's not what I want. No. All right, no. So I got the August 26th, 2030. Interesting. Huh. Alright, and I got a cluster, that one installed, and interesting with this one. Huh. 2030. Was there an error or so? I don't know. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Let's go to the map. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in something. Let me see if there's something that needs to update here. Let's see here. Alright, I'm just putting in the random location just to see. I put in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. So let's see here. The fast. Let's say start. So let's no.
The route guidance will start now.
So right now, because I do not have enough range, it is asking me to stop at Sheetz gas station. So with the range that I have right now, which is 163 miles, Let me show you here. At 51%, I will get to Hillsborough, She's gas station in Hillsborough, which is 117 miles away. And so, yep, and that's what it will. And let's see here. So it is telling me I'm gonna stop twice. So one is gonna be, actually no, I think it's giving me option that I can either stop, yeah, at the, so it's telling me I'm gonna go stop twice. Huh, interesting. So let's go back. So it's telling me I'm gonna stop twice. So one at Hillsborough and one at Henderson, which I usually do twice. So that means it is going to skip. Yep. So that means it is going to skip the other spots. Interesting. Interesting. So I just want to put that out there. Let me see here. Let me check the instrument cluster. Alright, so what is new? Let's see here. I don't see anything. EV, let's see. Charge EV battery to display information. Let's see here. Range guide. Let's see here. Okay. It's not, so let me go to display. Alright, so let me go and look at, let's see here. All right, let's look at display. No, I want cluster. And let's see, cluster theme. Nothing different, unless they remove that screen layout. Let's see here. It still has that. Let's see, selection. Screensaver, split screen. Nothing really different. I don't see anything different from there. Yeah. Let me know in the comment section if you got this update, if I'm missing something. Let me see, drive mode. I mean, digital keys. That's when I used to do the NFC stuff. So let me see if that one's gonna work. I'll be back on that one. So let me know in the comment section. That's a digital key. And let's see here, it's showing. This is still back. And lights. Headlight delay. Alright, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like the video, and let me know in the comment section, as I said earlier, if you did the same update, maybe something that was different that you got. But I don't see anything different. Maybe just some bugs, issues being fixed or so. But thank you for watching. See you in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.